I know why you clicked this video. You want to learn how to make money with crypto without having to wait for an entire market cycle. Well, first, let me take you on a journey. You just bought your first bag of crypto and it consists of 3 coins, Cardano, Matic, and Chainlink. It's July in 2021 and you started researching crypto after blowing some money online gambling in a crypto casino. First, you buy Cardano at $1.25 because you heard it can go to $10 by the end of the year. Next, you buy Polygon Matic at 98 cents because Ethereum isn't volatile enough for you. Last, you buy Chainlink at $15 because it's been around since the last bull run and you might not understand what an oracle is, but you believe they can change the world. Let's just focus on percentages to put this in perspective easier. The months leading up to the end of the year are extremely volatile, and in November, you're up 134% on Matic, 76% on Cardano, and 95% on Chainlink, for an average of 101.7% gain on the account. You start Googling your dream cars and looking into overpriced 4-monitor setups since you're now a professional trader. I mean, 100% return in 4 months is legendary. Fast forward to just 4 months down the road, and all you've done is add to your positions. You've doubled each of your positions since you're now a cryptocurrency expert, bringing your average entry point on Matic up to $1.45, Cardano up to $1.75, and Chainlink up to $20. All of your positions are in the green, and you have never been more ready for the second leg of the longest bull run humans have ever seen. You hold on to these crazy price targets you've heard from your favorite YouTuber, BitBoy Crypto, and decide to have diamond hands while the next year and a half is full of agonizing pain in the market. It is now 2023, and all you've done is add to your sorry positions the whole way down, hoping for the double blow off top everyone was talking about. So, every 4 months, you added the same amount of money as you did in your first position, form of dollar cost averaging. And you did this since your strategy of buy and hold only works in bull markets. All you've done in the past year and a half is lose money in your portfolio. This journey right here is the typical market cycle for new traders or investors. You don't want this to be you. So whether you're in a similar position, new to trading, or trying to find success, I have a strategy for you. I like to call it trend hacking. Now the best way to explain this strategy is to show you. The Bitcoin price is the easiest way to visualize how the crypto market is doing as a whole. So this is always the best reference point to understand when to look at altcoins and such. Now, if in the example we had scaled out of the positions on the way up and bought back on the way down, we would be much better off, even if we are still stuck in our positions. This style of trading is considered grid trading, and it can be practiced on any time frame. This gives us the opportunity to make money even in a bear market. This video will be used as a reference on this channel. So if you like the sound of the strategy, like this video and subscribe, and I'll explain everything for free on this channel. Looking at my current setup takes us to the daily time frame. First, we have to find a technical pattern and determine the overall sentiment in the market. At this point, traders are neutral, coming off a greedy high of 30K as the price breaks out of a parabolic trend to the upside. We also see some confluence with the head and shoulders pattern breaking out at the same time. This, my friends, is a perfect recipe for a solid trade. Pulling the fib from the swing high to the swing low gives us some great entry points which we can use, or we can split up even more. We just have to make sure they stay within the 618 retracement level. I entered this trade on the first spike down, then pulled the fib for my other entry points. We've had one entry point hit, giving us a decent position size, but still some room for growth if the price decides to spike up a bit more. As far as profit targets, we look at the fib and confluence with other factors to determine good take profit points. I don't have a set in stone profit strategy other than to make sure I'm taking them. Once the first profit target is hit, I'll move all the stop losses to break even and hold on to the free trade. This specific trade might go on for a couple weeks with the main profit target at 25,200. Since that's a major resistance which is likely to turn into major support. It also lines up with the fib retracement from this entire move up starting in December of 2022. This is one example of this strategy in the mid to long term strategy. I'll be showing long term strategies, mid-term strategies, mid-short term strategies, and even short term strategies. If you want to go on this journey learning my strategy, I'll teach you guys anything you need to know as often as I possibly can. See you in the next one.